Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Okta for workforce identity and access control step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Okta login page in your web browser. Enter your organization's Okta domain URL. Press the Enter key to access the login screen. Input your username in the designated field. Next, enter your password carefully. Click the Sign In button to proceed to the next step. If your organization uses multi-factor authentication, you will be prompted to select your preferred method. Choose your method of authentication, such as SMS or an authentication app. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification process. Once authenticated, you will be directed to the Okta dashboard. From the dashboard, locate and select the application or resource you wish to access. Click on the application icon to initiate the login process. Depending on the application, you may be required to enter additional credentials. Complete any required fields and submit your information. If you encounter an authorization request, review the permissions being requested. Confirm the permissions by clicking the Accept button. After successfully approving the request, you will gain access to the application. If you experience any issues during this process, consult your organization's IT support for assistance. Ensure you log out after completing your tasks for security purposes. Close your browser window to finalize the session. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.